Today we made a knockoff World Market chandelier for 20 bucks. We'll show you how we did it right now. Chewbacca Brown. Today we're making a wooden chandelier. So we saw this wooden chandelier, this one right here, this exact one, and I was like, ooh, I like that. But look at the price on that thing. It's crazy. So we went looking for pieces and parts to build our own chandelier. And it's a lot harder to find the pieces and parts than you think.
Yes, it
was.
was.
A lot harder than you think. Like, we couldn't find the exact parts or pieces that we wanted. We did find some at Home Depot, but they seemed to be overpriced for what it was. It was just a single light bulb thing. So we went to Walmart and we found this. 10 bucks. Comes with a cage, the light bulb, and everything already. But I wanted a wooden frame around it. So we're just gonna build a wooden frame, and I got some chain and some corner pieces. We're gonna build a little box to go around this $10 light and see what we come up with. It'll look a lot better than a $10 light. Maybe not as good as a $320 light. So I cut a bunch of 8-inch pieces, 1x1s. I have 8 of them. And then I have some 1x1s that are a foot long, 4 of them. I'm just gonna make 2 boxes.
Yeah, there's a simple cage.
2 boxes, and then pin those 2 boxes together.
Well, it's a good plan, it's a good plan. You had some drama. Baby glue.
Alright, and our picture frames are done. Oh, I mean, almost done with the chandelier.
Ooh, nails hit nails.
Ooh, wow. My nail hit a nail. What are the chances? You pack it away, it's not dynamite. I'm out of here. Look, we knew who's gonna save who when something goes down.
Right.
Alright, there's our box. That was it. Now we're gonna go stain this sucker, and we'll come back with some hardware. We'll show you that.
Now, we're going to put corner brackets, so I don't need to fill these holes, right?
Right. You won't see these holes, and you won't see this little thing that poked through. We got some hardware, and we spray painted it earlier. We showed you outside.
Chewbacca Brown.
Oh, you know what we didn't do? That glue. I did make sure I got all the glue.
If anybody's looking that close, I'm like, get down off that ladder! Get away from my light! And I still got it on me.
I'm just going around touching up yours.
Ah! Now I got a suntan in like one spot.
You're the worst. I'm thinking we do this.
Alright, we have the box put together, we have it stained. Now we're going to add the hardware that make it kind of rustic.
And I think it's going to sturdy it up a little bit.
Yeah, it'll sturdy it up a little bit. I'm going to drill pilot holes so we don't split the wood. Here's all the stuff I was painting. Got our box all done with the cool hardware on there. No, you saw me paint it.
Chewbacca
Now
Brown.
we're going to attach some eye hooks on the top 4 corners to hold the chain. I think we should drill some pilot holes.
Yep, I was going to say the same.
We're going to make sure the eye hooks face the outer corner. Too much. That looks good right there. How many links is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, so we're going to do 8 links. Alright.
Good.
Alright, we're going to go hang it. We'll meet you guys over there where we're hanging it. Alright, we're all done. You want to flip the breaker?
Yep.
Alright, if it catches on fire, it's Kim's fault. It's not on. Alright, want to go turn it off? Yay, it worked! Alright, lights all hung. We hung it in the stairwell, so it's echoey and hard to get a good shot. So we'll catch you up on the montage in 1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our project today, please give this video a like and a share.
Do you like to do it yourself?
Build it yourself?
Make it yourself? So do we. So if you want to see more projects and you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And remember to hit that bell to be notified of our new videos each week.
Thanks.
Before you go, check out one of these other videos over here, over on this side. Here's the subscribe button. Other videos to watch. Subscribe button.
You hit my balloon.